What's up, everybody? I wanted to do a quick video to highlight one of my favorite features on the new Q7. It's actually available on the Q7 and Q8. It's the adaptive chassis package. One of the features that you get with that is four-wheel steering along with air suspension. The four-wheel steering allows you to park and maneuver the vehicle a lot easier because the wheels, the front and rear, steer the opposite way of each other. I get more into the science of it later on, but I have two Q7s, one with it and one without it, and I'm going to play a little game of leapfrog and see if I can kind of highlight the difference between the chassis package and the non-chassis package car. Right, so here's the results, guys. So the non-adaptive chassis package car was in this stall. I cranked the wheel hard and I ended up 2.5 spots, I'll say, because I'm over the line about 2 feet. The adaptive chassis package car, I started right here and I cranked the wheel hard, and you can see where I ended up in that third stall, two stalls over. I'm right on the line. I could have actually widened the turn a little bit. So the four-wheel steering really aids in parking a really big car like this. Makes it super easy. And I'll get into the science of what it's doing in just a moment. More time for you guys, actually, because my phone is heating up outside. It's really hot. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. The only marker I had was my hat. So my hat is 2 spots over. I'm going to use the park system to kind of show you from the inside view what it looks like. So I'll creep out here a couple feet, crank the wheel hard. Hopefully I don't run over my hat. Still crank the wheel. And there I am. Actually gonna straighten just to be square in the spot. And there's my hat. So real quick, what the four-wheel steering is doing is at low speed, the wheels are actually steering in the opposite direction of each other. So the front wheels, you're steering in the intended direction. The rear wheels at, I believe it's 8 degrees. I'll have to double check. And obviously this isn't to scale, but they're steering in the opposite direction to cut the turning circle. And you saw the results of that when I was doing the parking maneuvers. At high speed, it's doing the opposite. The front wheels, where you're steering them, the rear wheels are going to steer the same. And what that does under weight transfer makes the vehicle move laterally. So at high speed, I'm going to illustrate with my little car here. Sorry, it's not an Audi. I'll have to get some Matchbox Audis for future videos. But when a vehicle has the four-wheel steering, like the Q7 that I drove, all four wheels, again, at high speed are going to steer in the same direction. What you get is the vehicle wants to move laterally, right? So you're going to have all four steer you over. Now, if you don't have four-wheel steering, the vehicle, you're going to steer the front wheels, and it's going to cause the rear wheels to have to kind of catch up. So you're gonna move more in like an oversteer if you steer without the rear wheel steering, where you're gonna have more lateral movement, less weight transfer with the four-wheel steer. So something like that. See, he missed it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment below if you have any questions or you want to see anything specific. I'll be happy to get a video out if you guys have enough questions, comments. Looking forward to doing some more videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.